Student AKS. In 5th grade, we are required to know 2 strategies for division. These strategies include partial quotients and area model. You can use the standard algorithm, but on standardized testing, you will be required to do either partial quotients or area model. That's the 5th grade AKS for division. Anyway, we heard some of you were confused on these 2 strategies, so we're here to help you. Enjoy this little skit as we teach about partial quotients and area model. Learning target. I can divide multi-digit numbers using partial quotients and area model. First, we're going to teach y'all how to divide with partial quotients.
The problem we are going to be solving is 197 divided by 3.
So first, you have to ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 197? Think of your basic facts. 3 can go into 19 6 times, because 3 times 6 equals 18. So you're going to put 18 to the 10th power, which would be 180. You're going to subtract 180 from 197. You get 17. But on the side, instead of writing a 6, you have to write a 60 because you put 118 to the 10th power.
Now you think to yourself, how many times can 3 go into 17? Well, that's easy. It can go in 5 times, because 3 times 5 is 15, and you have a remainder of 2 left over.
Now, on the side, you're going to add 60 plus 5, which gets you 65. But that's not your answer, because you have a remainder. On the top, you're going to write 65, remainder 2.
Now that we've learned partial quotients of division, we are going to be teaching you about area model of division. The problem we are going to be solving is 197 divided by 3 again. First, you're going to draw a rectangle to represent your area model. Then, on a side of the rectangle, you're going to draw a 3. Then inside the rectangle, you're going to draw a larger number, which in this case is 197. Now you're going to think to yourself, how many times can 3 go into 197? Well, that's easy. How many times can 3 go into 19?
6 times. That to the 10th power would be 180. So now you're going to subtract 197 with 180, which gets you to 17. Now you're going to draw a line down the rectangles to divide the 2 parts. You're going to draw 17 in the top of the next box, but don't forget to put 6 at the top of this box, but to the 10th power it's 60. Alright, now for this one, how many times can 3 go into 17? 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract that, which leaves you with 2. Now we all know that 3 can't go into 2. So you're going to have a remainder of 2 just like the last one. So your answer is 65 remainder 2 or remainder 2/3. That's area model. Bye. Now we hope that you will understand partial quotients and area model for division better. Bye!